Here's how you can disable the autocorrect feature in Google Docs. So if I write something like I love you, it will automatically be corrected into the correct sentence. But if you don't want this feature, then there are a few steps to disable it. So let me remove this text first, and then go to the tools menu, click spelling and grammar, and disable these two options. Okay, now after that, go to the tools menu again, click preferences, and under the general setting, I'm going to uncheck this option, and also I'm going to uncheck this option. So after that, you can click OK. And when you type anything, it won't be automatically corrected by the system. So yeah, that's basically means that the autocorrect has been turned off. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.